Hi, welcome back to the Scratch beginner tutorial. Let us start from where we left off in the previous video.
We made the cat cartoon to make some movements while staying in the same place.
Now let us make it move ahead.
We will use the same code that we created in our last video.
And I will add some more code to it. For that, I will open the blue colored motion blocks. And take the block name change the X by. And put it in the repeat block. There is something written in it. It is number 10. It means, it will change the X coordinate by 10.
On our screen, this means moving to the right. You can type any number in it. But the number should be less than the size of our screen.
If you type a negative number, the cartoon will start moving to the left.
Now let us see our code in action. Click on the topmost block or the green flag. And see what happens.
As you can see, the cat has moved a little bit to the right and then stopped. Why did it stop? Because we told it so. There is a number, 10, written in the repeat block. That means the cat will make the movements only 10 times.
Let us change this number, and then see what happens.
Did you see that? The cat is moving 50 steps to the right. Right. But then it went out of the screen. We don't want him to do that. Do we? So, we will change the number again. This time I will make it 40. And then see what happens.
Oh, well, the cat did not disappear. Now let us make him move backward.
How do we do that?
Well, we will need to write more code for that. I will separate the repeat block from the other code and right-click on it, and then select Duplicate. Then put one of the repeat blocks back where it was. And then add the other repeat block below it. Now I will change a number in the lower repeat block. I will make it -10 instead of 10. And then let us see what happens. You need to be patient to watch the animations, it may take some time. But we are learning, aren't we?
The cat moves to the right edge of the screen, and then starts to glide backward. It appears as if it is walking on a fast-moving treadmill, or a conveyor belt moving backward.
That looks funny, but we want our cat to face where it is moving. Don't we?
How do we do that?
Well, that is another trick in Scratch. I will show you how to do that. We will need to open the Costumes tab for that.
Click on the Costumes tab. There are two images of the cat. Click each one of them and see the difference.
Each of them has a different name. Both the images are facing to the right. But we need our cat to face to the left.
What do we do now?
Watch carefully. I will click on the first image and right-click on it. Now we see a menu. Select Duplicate from it. We will see a copy of the image right below the first image. It is named as Costume 3. We will rename it so that we can remember it easily. I will rename it as Cat Facing Left 1.
And then rename it to Cat Facing Left 2. Then select each of these two images one by one and use the Flip Horizontal option in the image editor to flip them facing to left.
So we have two sets of images. Two images facing right, and two images facing left. But they are kind of mixed. You can drag any image up or below the column to rearrange them.
Let us now go back to our code. Click Open the Code tab. Open the purple-colored, looks blocks.
Now add a new block named Switch Costume 2, and place it right below our first block in our code.
Then remove the blocks that are in our first repeat block. We need to add new blocks to it but need to rearrange them first.
Take one more Switch Costume to block. We will need one more Change X by block.
So I will duplicate it. I am bringing another Switch Costume block. Now change the value of 10 to 5 in each of the Move X by blocks.
Then open the orange-colored Control blocks and take a Wait for Seconds block.
We will need one more. Now put them with the other blocks. Watch it. There is a number, 1, already written in it. That is 1 second. Let us change it to 0.5, or just 0.5.
Now duplicate this entire code block. And place the first code block inside our first repeat block.
Now take the second code block. We will change the number in the change X by block from 5 to -5.
Then click on the switch costume to block, it shows a list of names. These are the same names of the cat pictures we saw in the costumes tab.
Select the name cat facing left 1, in one costume block. And then cat facing left 2, in the other costume block.
Now remove the earlier blocks, form the repeat block. If you drag a code block to the left side of your screen, they disappear. That is how you delete blocks.
Place all this code inside the repeat block. We need to change the costume names in the upper repeat block.
Keep costume 1 in one block, and select costume 2 in the next block. Let us run our code. The cat moves to the right. When it reaches the right edge, it will turn to the left and start walking towards the left.
This looks right, isn't it? Phew, you learned a lot today. Let us call it a day. See you again next time. Till then, bye.
Hey, and if you want to watch our tutorials, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about the new videos we publish.